Okay, so hello, salam, namaste, sat sri akal, and happy Independence Day to everybody. Welcome to my new episode of What's Your Story by Madhvi. क्या जोश है आज यार? There's a lot of josh today in me. I don't know for what, but I was trying, some kind of. I thought that today is Independence Day, and it should be something to do with kids. When you think about Independence Day, वो एक जोश आता है. You think about kids, एंड ऐसे ही कुछ आज के मेरे गेस्ट हैं तो वो छोटे से पर बहुत बड़ा नाम है उनका. सो आई डोंट नो, आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डू सम मैजिक विद दिस. somehow I failed, so I thought let's call our guest Darsh Malani. Hi Darsh, welcome to my show. How are you doing?
Hello. Hello, everyone. Thank you for inviting me. And I wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Thank you, same to you, and same to everybody who's watching our show. Right? So how are you
Yes.
feeling today? What did you do?
I'm feeling very excited and little nervous.
Okay, so excited वाली emoji paste कर दी जाए, huh? WhatsApp पे. Check. Okay, so since it's Independence Day today, I would like to start our show with our national anthem.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
So can we request everybody to just stand up and do this for us, right? Yeah.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जन
Come on, you have to sing.
किनारे जागे
Tana Subhash Sunare, Gaye Tag Jayanaye.
जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय 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 जय
Jai Hind. Thank you so much for playing that. Thank you so much for playing that. Okay, so Darsh,
Yeah.
आप मैजिशियन हो,
Yes.
12 years old हो
Huh.
और सेवेंथ क्लास में हो, डीपीएस स्कूल में पढ़ते हो, if I'm not wrong, and you are a head boy.
Yeah.
My goodness. अच्छा, ये तो एक छोटी सी चीज है. So let's start with some of easy questions and then
Yeah.
do the main drilling with you, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so I would like to start off with some questions and know more about you. Okay?
Yeah.
Some quick questions. What's your favorite color?
Blue, the color of ocean and sky.
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite food?
Pizza and pav bhaji.
Come on, yaar, pizza. Pav bhaji to acha hai. What's your favorite pastime?
My favorite pastime is like watching TV shows like America's Got Talent, Britain's Got Talent, Penn and
Wow.
Teller Coolers, and Kapil Sharma show. It's my favorite show.
Oh,
And
that's
I
a
also like my favorite pastime is also trying new tricks, experimenting, and this that.
okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobby and passion is magic, and apart from that, I like piano. I play tennis every day.
Mm-hmm.
I like drawing and art and craft, and many of my drawings have been published in state and national newspapers, and even it got recognized by World Art Branding Conclave. And
और कुछ
and
रह
more.
गया है, और कुछ स्विमिंग रह गई है यार. स्विमिंग नहीं बोला अभी, वो बच रहा है.
थोड़ा बहुत और इस लॉकडाउन में मेरी न्यू हॉबी आई एक्सप्लोर न्यू एंड लर्नड ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग.
Oh, really? That's nice. You're doing a course online?
या और
That's
इसके बाद से
amazing.
अब मेरे जो भी पोस्ट जाते हैं तो मैं वो खुद डिजाइन करता हूँ.
Wow, that's amazing. You're
Thank you.
multi-talented, huh? What do you like when you get, what do you don't like when you get angry, actually?
Like, I'm a very calm person, but if anybody irritates me when I'm doing something very important, I get little upset and just ignore it.
Just ignore it.
Yeah.
और सॉल्व नहीं करोगे अगर स्कूल में डिशुम डिशुम होती है तो क्या करते हो?
नहीं, अगर
नहीं
कुछ
हाथ
ज्यादा ही करता है तो मैम को कंप्लेंट कर देता हूँ.
ओ माय गुडनेस, तुम इतने सीधे साधे
मारता नहीं.
बच्चे हो यार. कम ऑन. Which subjects you love in your classroom?
Maths. Because
बेटा
maths is
मैथ्स क्यों?
not a problem to be solved, it's a number to be enjoyed.
सीरियसली बेटा? For me,
हाँ.
maths is like not दर्श मिलानी. Maths is like वो जो दर्श था ना हमारे तारे जमी पे, उसके नंबर्स फ्लाई करते थे, वो मेरे लिए मैथ्स वो है.
मेरी मम्मी एमबीए फाइनेंस है तो शुरू से ही मैथ्स मैथ्स.
अच्छा, तो मम्मा का असर आया है.
हाँ.
ओह माय गुडनेस बेटा, पर मेरे लिए तो जो है नंबर उड़ते हैं. ठीक है. Anyway, all the best to you. So you tell me, you are just 12 years old
Yeah.
in 7th class, and so when did you very first get that got that instinct, and you
Yeah.
felt the magic inside you, that you have something different in you?
हम्म.
क्या वो जादू वाला किस्सा हुआ था कि सुबह उठे थे और आंखों में चश्मा तो लगाया है, अरे मम्मा मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है, अरे मुझे मम्मा दिख नहीं रहा है, ऐसे कुछ हुआ था?
नहीं.
नहीं.
Like मेरी my journey started when I was 9 years old, and
हाँ.
I always like experimenting new things like this and that. And one day I just showed a small experiment or what trick you say, whatever. And my mother got shocked and she looked it.
कौन
She
सा एक्सपेरिमेंट था वो?
and then she saw that something is different in this. It it happened in Dashera holidays when I was in my Dubai home.
Okay.
I go many times to Dubai in my holidays. My
Mm-hmm.
father lives there.
Okay. So your papa is not here with you, he's in Dubai due to
Yeah,
work. Okay.
yeah.
तो मम्मा ने क्या आइडेंटिफाई किया था आपके बच्चे में? क्या हुआ था? व्हाट एक्सपेरिमेंट डिड यू शो फाइनली कि मम्मा
Like
को लगा
ऐसा
यू आर
था
डिफरेंट?
कि uh, I took a normal paper from a book and just made few pieces, and just in 2 seconds it got restored. It was just a small like that.
ऐसे कैसे यार? मैं भी करती हूँ पर मेरे साथ तो ऐसे नहीं होता है.
अब वो थोड़ा है.
उससे पहले कोई मैजिक शो देखा था कभी टेलीविजन पे?
नहीं,
नो.
उसके पहले मेरे को इतना कुछ नहीं पता था ऐसे मैजिक के बारे में. मैं इंटरनेट पे जाके एक्सप्लोर करता हूँ नई नई चीजें. आई एम अ सेल्फ मेड मैजिशियन.
Wow. Okay, so what's your inspiration in life? If it's related to your studies or career or your magic for that sake, magic में किसको अपना गुरु मानते हो?
In the world magic icon Dynamo is my inspiration. I was it was like, how do I say, when I met him in the World's Top Magicians convention amongst 4,800 plus audience from around the world, he told me that if this 10 years old boy is here at this age, he's the magic, he's the future of our magic committee. And he also uh, he also praised my parents and for supporting me in my passion.
Wow.
And
So
I would like to
studies,
show you a trick.
हाँ, show me please. Definitely, we are waiting for that trick. आज तो ट्रिक
Yeah,
कर
yeah,
देना
yeah.
है. Trick or treat.
1 second, just. Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes, I can, but not
Yeah.
the cards.
Uh,
Okay.
so I have a deck of cards, normal. All the
Okay.
cards are shuffled. We don't need the box. And I
Mhm.
also have a orange over here.
Orange.
Yeah,
Okay. So you have an orange and you have deck of cards. Okay.
yeah. Uh,
Right.
and you must eat healthy fruits and increase your immunity so that
Yes, in
you,
Corona, it's very
yeah,
important to have vitamin C. Correct.
yeah. Okay, so just see this. All the cards are shuffled and they're different.
हाँ.
Yeah.
अब उतनी
At
दूर
the
से तो
back
मुझे दिख रहा था.
also.
हाँ. कुछ है. Okay.
Huh.
इस
Do you
कार्ड
want
में
me to
कुछ जरूर
shuffle it?
गड़बड़ है.
Yeah.
इस कार्ड में कुछ जरूर गड़बड़ है.
No. Okay, I'll just shuffle it.
हाँ. Okay. Shuffle it.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Fine. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now I would like you to say stop wherever you want. I'm just shuffling the card and just say stop anywhere you want.
Stop.
Wait, wait. Once again.
Stop.
जब डेक खत्म हो जाती तब बोल रहे आप स्टॉप.
मेरे को तो दिख रहा था यार अभी. अच्छा फिर से करो.
एक सेकंड.
Stop.
यहाँ पे.
Hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I told
Okay.
you stop.
So take a look at this card. I'm not seeing. Can you see it?
Okay. Yes, I saw.
Okay. Do you remember
Yeah.
it?
Yes, I do.
So now I'm just going to take it and keep it in the middle and shuffle it more. So it's completely lost in the deck. I don't know which card was it and where is it. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So I told you I had an orange.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was full time over here.
Yes.
Okay, so now I have a plate and a knife.
Right.
Yeah, and this is
Hmm.
the deck of cards. Your card is somewhere over here. And I would just like you to think of your card,
Okay.
okay? And just
Okay.
focus on the orange.
Uh-huh.
Think that your
I'm
card is
focusing.
going from here, folding and going inside the orange.
ठीक है. I'm focusing. चलो.
Okay, very good. So now I'm going to cut this orange. See, normal orange, normal knife. I'm going to cut it. And we can see something inside over here, I think. Yeah,
Right.
it's a folded card.
Yes, it is.
Uh, can you say what was the name of your card
The number was 9.
and the suit,
Spade.
the nine of spades?
Woo! That's lovely. Amazing.
Thank you.
That's amazing, boy. मतलब यार मैं नहीं कर सकती है but this is like I have to learn from you. That's amazing. So आप फ्रूट्स में से भी कार्ड्स निकाल लेते हो. क्या बात है यार.
Hmm.
मतलब एक तरफ आप हेल्दी होने को बोल रहे हो दूसरी तरफ आप दिवाली के लिए सबको इनवाइट कर रहे हो दिवाली के कार्ड्स के लिए. Right? आओ दिवाली आओ. Diwali is coming. We'll play cards, right?
Yeah.
That's very interesting. That's very
Okay.
interesting.
Thank you.
Acha, what is magic to you, Darsh? Is it
Like,
an illusion? Is it some kind of an illusion or it's some kind of real thing which really exists.
Magic basically consists of illusion, stage show, and close-up magic. It is perform. It is a performing art in which audience are entertained by the tricks and illusions.
Okay, so it is an illusion, in
Yeah,
other
we
words.
can say it's an illusion.
तो मेरे को क्या हो गया, मेरे को लगता है चश्मा लगाना पड़ेगा, वो इल्यूजन वाला। कोई मिलता है चश्मा मैजिक में? मिलता होगा, लास्ट। ओके, सो विच
शायद
स्कूल
ध्यान
ऑफ,
से देखो तो समझ में आए।
देखो मुझे तो एक लगता है कि ऑरेंज में पहले से आपने कार्ड रखा होगा।
फिर आपने तो कहीं पे बीच में स्टॉप बोला था,
हाँ, ये बात भी ठीक है।
और मैंने आपके सामने बहुत बार शफल भी किया और दिखाया भी था।
ये बात भी ठीक है। और जरा सा भी कैमरा हटाने की मुझे लगे कि वो दूसरा ऑरेंज रेडी हो गया हो
नहीं,
उसी
मैं बस
नंबर का।
कैमरा पीछे लेके गया और यहाँ पे ही रखा था, बस कैमरा के अंदर।
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली, ये तो फिर मैजिक है। दैट्स ट्रू, आई एग्री। So with
थैंक यू।
school or college, did you really went ahead, and started to learn or pursue this kind of, talent called magic?
Like I told you before, I'm a self-taught magician and I went through internet and learned magic. And if I would go to any school, I would like to go to the London School of Magic, as it is recommended by one of the BGT finalists, Jamie Raymond. He's like my friend. I met him in the
Okay.
UK convention, World Top Magicians convention.
Okay, so I would like to show you something,
Okay.
Darsh. Uh, Chalo, we'll go ahead with this first. Shall we?
Okay.
Just a minute. Uh, we'll go with this. Who is he?
I can't see anything. Sorry.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You could
Can you
not?
just reshare?
Okay, I'll reshare.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Can you see now? I'll play it once again so that you see.
Yeah. Your screen has freezed. Uh, are you playing something? Hello? Hello?
Did you see now?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Your screen is freezed.
Oh, really? Can you
I
see me
just saw
now?
my that card logo and nothing else.
ओ ये कैसे हो गया यार? Okay. Now can
Yeah,
you see?
yeah, yeah. Uh,
Can you see this now?
did you play the video?
No, I did not, but I'm just telling you.
Okay.
Can you see what I'm showing you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could see that.
Okay. I'm sharing this once again with you.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Uh, no.
Wait.
I think it's my network problem because it's raining from morning over here.
No, can you see now?
No, sorry.
Oh, okay. Chalo. It doesn't matter. I'll share it once again in some time. Okay? Can you see me now? Can you hear me
Yeah,
now?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So who all are there in your family and who were really supporting you and who on the other side were against you? You know, they must be saying, no, no, it's studies, you know, you have to study, don't focus on magic, you know,
Yeah.
what is this magic and all. Was there something like that?
Like I can't say who all were there, like, but who all supported me. The person who supported me the most is my mother, and even my nana ji, and my papa.
Really? And
They have supported me a lot.
acha, okay. So tell us something about your DPS school being a head boy in Hyderabad, right? So
Yeah,
you have a big responsibility
yeah,
towards
yeah.
it. How do you balance studies and on the other side demanding art of magic?
Like my I love my school. It's very supportive, and it happens many times. Like I have a important event or something to attend, and I can't miss that. And at the other side, there's a exam or something important in the school. So I do like I attend half day school and then I go over there to attend that. For
Okay.
example, last year in the UK convention, I had to go, and the day I landed, the next day I had my final exams. But I managed it and I got good. I passed and I got good results also because I did my preparation before going to UK.
Wow. So, but has this sometime happened, you know, like you went to receive Rashtriya Bal Puraskar Award, right?
Yeah, yeah. Like
So,
तभी उसके बाद में I missed many notes because it was just 1 month before the finals again, and
mhm.
but the teachers they all helped me, and they all did my revision and all very nicely, and
Okay.
I got, and even
So
after coming
everybody,
from Delhi, I have to go to many places like governors place and home minister's place. So I missed many like CRA exams, but then after coming from there, I write them.
okay. So everybody is cooperative with you in the school.
Yeah,
They are
yeah,
proud of you, right?
yeah. And principal ma'am and HM ma'am, they are also very supportive. All the teachers and my friends.
That's really nice. So, how did you feel, Darsh, when you received the honorable award with the Honorable President of India for the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Shakti Puraskar in 2020?
like it was a dream come true for me, and it was the president ji, he was so humble. Like
हाँ,
when I see him on the TV, he looks so like he doesn't speak much. So
serious.
yeah, so
He
I
looks
think he's little
serious.
like that. But when I met him, and he
Met
told
him.
me, Chote Jadugar, congratulations, and we would like to see your magic sometime. And he shook the hand with me. It was so nice, and he's so humble.
Okay, so but who gave you that news that you're going to get that award? Who gave you that news?
Sorry.
When did you come to know that you're going to get that award? Who gave you that news? I
Uh,
think वहीं से excitement शुरू हो गई होगी, right? कि
hmm.
मुझे मिलने वाला है कुछ.
अवार्ड्स के 10 दिन 10 दिन पहले एक मेल आया था
Okay,
that congratulations, you are selected for the प्रधानमंत्री बाल पुरस्कार 2020.
okay. So you were also invited by the Prime Minister of our India, Shri Modi ji, right?
Yeah.
At his own residence, his
Yes.
own very residence. So what was it? Was it a high tea thing? मतलब इतने मतलब हमें भी ले चलते यार. I wish I would have known you then. क्या था वो?
It
Why
was
did you go there? We invited you for what?
yes, it was a high tea, and uh, like आपको भी ले चलते, हमारे खुद हमारे इतने सारे लोग भी, लाइक जो और लोग थे, एक इतने नंबर के ही लोग अंदर जा सकते हैं, ऐसे ही था। और बाहर भी बहुत सिक्योरिटी थी, और मोदी जी ने इसीलिए रेसिडेंट में बुलाया क्योंकि उनको हर एक अवॉर्डी को पर्सनली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना था और ब्लेस करना था। और उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि it's not the end, but it's the beginning of your
Beginning.
journey. You have to achieve many more things ahead, more bigger than this.
तो आपको हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी से मिलके कैसा लगा?
Like क्या बोले, उनको कितने अच्छे, कितने मस्ती भी करते हैं। और उन्होंने
सर मैं भी आपको नमस्ते करना चाहूंगी. If you will look through this interview, I did
yeah,
not meet you, but I'm hearing lots of things from Dash. In fact, the whole world, the whole India knows about you. You're such a humble person.
yeah, and he gifted everyone a personalized watch with
You
his
don't have to say that. I wanted to show it. अच्छा पहनी हुई है. Okay, फिर दिखा दो.
पहनी
चलो
भी है,
दिखा दो.
his signature over there inside the watch, and at the
Okay.
back side my name is engraved,
Okay, it is there. So
and even many books.
तो उन्होंने क्या पर्सनल बात करी आपसे?
उन्होंने मुझे बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया और बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स दी।
और मम्मी
और
मम्मी
हाँ,
गई थी?
और उन्होंने मेरे लिए एक पर्सनल ट्वीट भी की।
Okay, I'm pleased to meet the young magician Darsh Milani today. Darsh, who has been creating magic across the world, who share the joys of magic in families of mat. What is that? Matras. Matrons.
Yeah. He also shares the joy of magic with families of martyrs, including Kargil legends. We are proud of you.
Okay, that is amazing. He tweeted this. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Acha, if you are now like you what is this international brotherhood of
Of magician.
magicians?
Yeah.
I think that is in USA and you are one
Yeah.
of the proud members of that. Is it an organization? Is it a company or is it a group of people? Is it a community? What is it?
The International Brotherhood of Magicians is the world's largest organization for magicians. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
from there, I keep myself updated, and like my international profile got selected there and certified over there, and I also got connected from many America's Got Talent and Britain's Got Talent and
Wow.
magicians and winners like that.
So they
And
invited you to be a part of the group. They invited you.
yeah, like we I can't go there every month, like, but from there every month a courier comes to me, like what happened in this month, a full magazine of it. It comes every month.
Okay, so it's just all the magicians, group of
Yeah,
magicians.
yeah.
Okay, that's really nice.
Okay,
And you are,
so
yeah. So what now? What next?
yeah, 1 second.
आपने मुझे रोका है तो कुछ जरूर कुछ ट्रिक दिखाने वाले हो गए लगता है, हाँ?
हाँ, अभी लाइक मैं इस साल यूएस जाने वाला था। 1 सेकेंड।
हाँ, इस साल तो बेटा बहुत
मैं
कुछ होने
जाने वाला
वाला
हूँ
था पर इस
यूएस
बार
तो।
कोरोना हो गया।
हाँ, कोरोना हो गया तो।
हाँ, ओके।
लेकिन जब भी मैं जाऊंगा मेरे को वहां की करेंसी चाहिए रहेगी ना, तो मैं मेरे वॉलेट से निकालता हूँ।
अब दिख नहीं रहा है,
तो
देखो तो। ओह माय गॉड, फायर! दर्श,
गॉड, मेरी करेंसी तो ठीक है ना? थैंक गॉड, इट्स फाइन।
इंडियन रुपीस है।
हाँ, इंडियन रुपीज है।
दिखाओ
लेकिन
दिखाओ दिखाओ दिखाओ।
हाँ,
अरे सौ
दिखाता हूँ।
रुपए का नोट है यार, कम से कम 2000 तो रखना था ना। पर ये बच कैसे गए?
इंडियन रुपीज है।
पर ये बच कैसे गए?
पता नहीं, मैंने मैजिक से इन्हें जलने नहीं दिया।
अच्छा
हम्म
अच्छा,
तो
वेरी गुड।
मैं अभी नेक्स्ट जब भी यूएस जाऊंगा तब के लिए करेंसी चाहिए रहेगी, एंड इंडियन करेंसी वहां पे काम नहीं करती है ना?
बिल्कुल नहीं करती है यार, बिल्कुल नहीं करती
तो
है।
हम्म तो इस प्रॉब्लम का सल्यूशन मेरे पास है। मैं क्या करता हूँ,
अच्छा,
बहुत बहुत सिंपल से चीज है। बस इसे फोल्ड करता हूँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, और ऐसे करता हूँ। और मैं एक मैजिशियन हूँ, तो मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ ना। तो जस्ट
हाँ
एक
हाँ,
ऐसे एक ब्लो करूंगा, और फिर
ये ब्लो करने के बाद क्या हो गया? ये तो डॉलर बन गया। अरे डॉलर वो वेस्ट नहीं जो पहनते हैं, ये तो डॉलर, इट्स अ
डॉलर,
करेंसी। यस,
100 डॉलर।
डॉलर, वो भी $100।
या
कमाल
असली
है
है।
यार। अच्छा एक बात सुनो, अभी जब कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा ना बेटा, तो आई एम गोइंग टू कम टू यू। मेरे पास बहुत सारे इंडियन है, तो वो चेंज कर देना। मेरे को करेंसी वाले के पास जाके फालतू में उसको कमीशन देनी पड़ती है।
आप मुझे डॉलर्स दे दीजिए, मैं आपको इंडियन इंडियन करेंसी बना दूंगा।
नहीं,
क्योंकि
पहले वहां
आप तो
जाके
इंडिया में ही
कमा के
रहोगी
फिर
ना।
दूंगी। बेटा पहले वहां जाऊंगी, कुछ कमाऊंगी, फिर तो दूंगी ना तुम्हें। जाके
ओके,
पक्का भेजूंगी। हाँ,
ओके,
बट दैट वाज अ वेरी नाइस ट्रिक।
थैंक यू।
अमेजिंग। तो बेटा मम्मा और पापा को कभी कमी नहीं होती होगी। ये असली डॉलर है नकली डॉलर है? पहले
असली
इसकी
है,
पुष्टि, ये पुष्टि होनी चाहिए।
असली है, असली।
असली है? ओए होए
यस।
मुंडा, इतने जोश नाल कहना पे असली है तो असली होगी भाई, मान लेते हैं भाई। अच्छा अब ये बताओ कि यार यू आर अ धमाका पैकेज, यू नो दैट। छोटे हो पर धमाका पैकेज हो, है ना? मानते हो कि नहीं?
ओके, आप
इतने
बोलते तो मान
अवार्ड्स,
लेता हूँ।
इतने इतने अवार्ड्स, इतने ये, यू आर बीइंग टैग्ड एज अ डायमंड प्राइड ऑफ तेलंगाना,
या
you know, by our honorable home minister of Telangana, right?
या
So I must ask you, what is your dream in your life? What do you want to become in your life?
लाइक अभी तक तो सब फ्लो में चल रहा है, एंड माय फ्यूचर प्लान्स आर टू लर्न एंड एक्सप्लोर mind reading magic mind reading, and if possible, like I would like to join the London School of Magic, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला था। और फिर उसके बाद में मैं ब्रिटेन गॉट टैलेंट में अप्लाई करना चाहूंगा।
Mm-hmm.
एंड एट प्रेजेंट आई एम वर्किंग ऑन गिनीज बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स, अभी बोला था। और
Okay. तो
apart
उसके लिए
from
क्या प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ती है? व्हाट डू यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड? व्हाट डू यू हैव टू
like
प्रिपेयर?
like something unique, like जो सिर्फ हम कर सकते हैं. Like अभी तक मेरी uniqueness है, I perform a magic show on hoverboard, balancing on a hoverboard the entire time. And like that मैं कोई record break करना चाहूँगा. I'm also holder of Asia Book of Records, India Book of Record. अब बस Guinness Book बचा है.
यस, बस वो बचा है.
हाँ.
ओके,
और अपार्ट फ्रॉम मैजिक मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर से आईआईटी की एंट्रेंस प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करना चाहूंगा.
कर लोगे इतना सब कुछ आप?
ट्राई करेंगे भगवान.
वेरी नाइस. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता दर्श कि कोई स्कूल ऑफ मैजिक होता है, लाइक लंदन स्कूल ऑफ मैजिक है जैसे हमने हैरी पॉटर में देखा है?
हाँ,
क्या आप उसको
वो
मतलब
तो
जो
वो नहीं है. वो बस ऐसी उन मूवीज वगैरह के लिए है.
तो
लेकिन
क्या
हाँ,
आपको वहां पे ये सिखाया जाता है कि आप अपने मैजिक को और कैसे मतलब रिफाइन कर सकते हो, रिफाइन
हाँ
ट्यून कर सकते
रिफाइन
हो?
कर सकते हैं.
आप
और
कोई ऐसा स्कूल खोलना चाहोगे जब आप सीख जाओगे? क्या खोल सकते हैं ऐसा कोई स्कूल सीखने के बाद?
शायद देखेंगे उसी वक्त, हो भी सकता है.
ओके, ओके. So you have seen Harry Potter, right?
या
I think everybody has seen Harry
हाँ.
Potter. It's a beautiful fiction, obviously. Imagine it was real and you had the opportunity to go there. Apart from being Harry Potter, which other character you feel or you would love to have lived in that character?
Apart from Harry Potter, I would like to live in the character of Professor Albus Dumbledore, the headmaster of
Dumbledore.
Hogwarts.
I know the white person, the white beard, the main principal of the college.
Yeah, because he inspires the students to do hard work.
Absolutely. And what else magic would you like to show over there?
Okay, 1 second. I just have to move
Not
the.
not now here, not now
Okay.
here. I said if you were at the Harry Potter
Yeah.
character, what magic one trick would you like to show if you were Dumbledore?
Uh, Difficult.
Difficult तो है.
I would like to do
अब देखो
that.
उनको डॉलर
कि
डॉलर तो चाहिए नहीं.
कोरोना
क्या
जैसे
भाई
और
लोग?
कोई बीमारी नहीं आए, ऐसा कर
Really?
दूंगा.
ओहो, तो ये पहले अभी करो. Work on this
अभी
now.
मुझे वो नहीं आता है, उसके लिए मुझे प्रोफेसर बनना पड़ेगा.
I wish one day you will do that also.
हाँ.
So, okay, let me share you something. I hope
Okay.
this time I'm able to share it
Yeah.
with you. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. आपको दिख रहा है?
हाँ.
दिख रहा है?
Yeah, it's the invitation.
अभी
नहीं, उधर ही है.
okay. Can you see now?
Like what are you showing? क्योंकि
It's
मुझे सिर्फ वही दिख रहा है, राष्ट्रपति भवन का इनविटेशन.
no, but I guess I have gone back and I am playing a video for you.
Okay.
Okay, let me share another one with you. Let me share this. Can you see this?
I think
Can you
you
see
didn't
now?
share anything, I think.
Oh, yeah, it is there. Okay, let me show you this one.
Yeah, now I can see.
What can you see?
You are just moving the mouse.
You can see now?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm, nice. Can you see this
Yeah.
cute picture?
Yeah.
Happy Independence Day.
Yes. Happy Independence Day to everyone.
चलो आपको अगर ये दिख गया तो अब वो भी दिख जाना चाहिए. Hopefully, let me show it to you.
Yes.
I
I
don't
hope.
know why is it not playing. Can you see now?
No, बहुत एक छोटा सा सेक्शन है बूस्टेड.
आप
आई थिंक आपने एक सेक्शन शेयर किया है, पूरा स्क्रीन नहीं.
no, no. Okay, just hold on. Some problem with my thing.
Yeah. Now I can see it.
I'll play it again.
Yeah.
This is Harry Potter Junior.
Yeah.
Huh?
This is the Home Minister of Telangana. And this is a comedian. And he is the Deputy Mayor of London. And
Ramdev Baba, huh?
yeah, in Delhi.
With our Prime Minister.
Yeah. And this is the Achievers Award. I just received it
Right.
recently. Smriti
This
Irani
is with
ma'am.
Smriti Rani ji. This is with Pinky Reddy ji.
Pinky Reddy.
This is your
And
papa.
yeah, Papa, Mummy and me.
And
This
this
is
is the
Saina
marriage.
Nehwal.
Yeah. Okay, so thankfully you got to see this.
Yeah.
Tell us something about this.
Uh,
This is in London, of course.
yeah. London Bridge hai piche. He is the Deputy Mayor of London and he felicitated me.
Okay.
And yeah.
Your favorite is she your was she your school teacher?
No.
No.
Yeah. In the Kapil Sharma show.
Okay. Okay, in the Kapil Sharma show. Okay.
Yeah.
There she is, of course, yes. You
And
can,
Home Minister of Telangana.
yes. I know
And
this smart boy.
this
This
one
is Harry.
I was in a lens eye boutique.
Mm-hmm.
I just tried it. It doesn't
But
have
you
any
love
lens in it.
you okay, but you love Harry Potter, that means, huh?
Yeah.
And this is
And
our
he,
Dabang,
yeah,
you know, you happen to meet him.
yeah.
How was the experience?
Nice. And like he was in a hurry, so we couldn't talk much time.
Okay.
And this is my recent like
Yeah.
knowledge tribe had my interview just like you, but it was not a face to face. It was a like they gave the questions
Written
and
one.
the
Yeah,
answers. It
the
was in a
written one.
magazine.
Yes, it was in a magazine. Nice. So, okay, let me share one more thing with you. I don't know why this is not playing.
Uh,
I don't know. That's not playing with the one you sent me to
yeah.
share it.
Uh,
It is not just happening. Okay. Let me go here once again and try to, you know. play this. Oh, it's not happening. Anyways. Okay. Dash, I want to ask you a quick question
Yeah.
that you have performed before the families of the martyrs of the Kargil war.
Yeah.
How did this come to your way? Explain your or share your experience regarding this.
Like my motto is spreading smiles in the world, and if everyone is happy, I'm happy. And
Okay.
like I've performed many shows for government of Telangana. I performed on Children's Day, and from that I got connected to Braveheart Martyrs group, and from there I did many shows for them, for the Kargil War legends, Indian Armed Forces, living heroes, and martyrs' families. And then I went as a delegate to Delhi at the
Okay.
Rashtrapati Bhavan. I was invited.
Hmm.
So I went Rashtrapati Bhavan 2 times
Oh my God.
inside.
Really?
Yeah, and both
How?
the times I had a high tea over there.
Oh my God. With all the delegates and with all
Yeah.
the. So, what used to be the topic over there when you were with them? What they used to talk to you?
Like they used to say what happened in the Kargil war exactly, and how were they like, and the sad things of that times, and they would just do try to make them happy.
Okay. But that's really a sad thing about the Kaggle, right? So, do you want to show us a trick, a quick magic trick?
Okay, one second. I'm just going to rotate my camera for it.
Okay. So the camera is going to rotate, and we are going to see.
Okay, can you see me?
Yes, I can
Okay,
see
can you
you.
hear me? Yeah.
Yes,
Uh, one second.
sure.
Yeah. Okay, so I have three different colors cloth over here. Ribbon. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I can see
Yeah.
you. Right.
Okay, so the first one is orange, the second one is white,
White.
and the third one is
Third one
green.
is green. So the flag colors of
Yeah,
India.
yeah, and also
Blue.
blue, blue cloth bag over here. It's empty. Nothing is inside it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to take the orange ribbon first, and inside the blue bag.
Okay.
Then the white ribbon inside. Yes.
Uh-huh.
And the last but not the least, the green ribbon.
Okay.
So I've kept all the ribbons inside the bag, and yeah, so I would like to wish everyone a happy Independence Day once again.
Woohoo! Happy Independence Day! Thank you. Thank
I'm
you,
I'm
Dash.
proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
Definitely. Jai Hind. We all are proud to be an Indian.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. I respect this.
even.
What a trick, man. That's really nice, yeah. Yeah, that's really
Thank
nice.
you, thank you. 1 second,
Okay,
I'll just.
yes.
Yeah.
importance of Independence Day? Let's hear it from you.
Yeah, Independence Day. This this day stands as a reminder of the sacrifice that many freedom fighters made to gain independence from British rule,
Uh-huh.
so that we can live freely. This
Right.
day teaches us the importance of patriotism and strengthens our unity irrespective of our differences. And I have a inspiring message for you all. Dream big, work hard, and see it magically happen.
Okay. So you think,
And please, I would also like to say, please stay happy, stay healthy, and please stay at your home.
that's right. That's really nice that you shared so many information about you, and
Yeah.
you have receiving so many awards, so many things. I'm definitely sure you're not alone. You're not doing this alone with the support of your mother and your father. So where is the lady behind you, your mom? I would like to just call her over
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
live. Just say hello.
हेलो नमस्ते।
नमस्ते मैम, कैसे हैं आप?
बस मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
It's really, I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's really a proud, proud, proud feeling to have such a wonderful magic boy with you. He's not
या
only a magician, it's a magic boy.
या
So, what do you have to say on this day of independence as a message from a mother, from as you know, a well wisher for our country?
Yeah, first of all, happy Independence Day to each one of you, and thank you, Madhvi ji, for inviting Darsh and
My pleasure. My
sharing his
pleasure.
magical and inspiring journey to all of you. And like he's definitely a blessed child. He never
Absolutely.
stopped me to surprise with his magic and passion. And he is so committed, hardworking. This only he this motivates me. I keep encouraging him to do whatever he wants to aspire in his life. And also I would like to say to all the children there, like if you cannot do great things, it's okay. You do small things in a great way. You'll sooner or later you will achieve a magical result. So just keep
Absolutely.
doing, continue with your hard work, and love whatever you like from heart. Do that only thing. We should never force children to choose their line. We should really support.
That she's making a quickie face like, oh, we should not force. Were you forced? No, Darsh, you were not forced. You chose your own way, right? And in
Yeah,
fact, Mama is helping you, and your
Yeah.
Papa is always there to support you.
yes,
But
yes.
why is he not here? Is he working somewhere?
Yeah,
He's in Dubai.
he works in Dubai. Yeah, we keep traveling
Okay.
there. He keeps coming here. We are here to manage his profile, and he is growing, and school is also supporting so much. So,
एब्सोल्युटली
yeah.
एब्सोल्युटली ये कहाँ था, छुपा बैठा था, मेरे सामने अभी तक नहीं आया, आज ही आया है, तो आई एम फीलिंग सो प्राउड दैट ही इज ऑन माय शो. एक्चुअली आई एम फीलिंग प्राउड. You made me
Thanks.
also
It's
proud.
our pleasure
What's your
too.
story by Madhvi feel proud about you, you know that? And I wish all the kids, they all should make their parents feel proud in whatever way, in whatever field they go, in whatever segment they are.
Yeah.
It need not to be you need to be only on number one.
No.
Even if you're number two, even if you're number three, even if you're number four, just stay there. Try to balance it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think balance is very much important, and it was a wonderful show. But यार ये बताओ कि मेरे को तो मैजिक ट्रिक सीखनी है. आपकी मम्मा तो बहुत हेल्प करती हैं दर्श. Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. दर्श, आप मुझे कब सिखाओगे? मेरे
सॉरी।
पास भी, मेरे को कब सिखाओगे, मेरे पास भी कार्ड्स हैं।
जैसे मैंने सीखा आप भी वैसे सीखिए
नहीं
इंटरनेट
नहीं,
पे एक्सप्लोर
ये
करके।
हाँ, ये हाँ नहीं चलता। मैं भी लंदन गई थी, मैंने वहां से पूरी मैजिक ट्रिक की एक वो बुक ली थी, और वो पूरा एक सेट लिया था, कुछ नहीं हुआ, टट्टू, आई कुडंट डू एनीथिंग।
मैं कन्वेंशन में जाता हूँ तो वहां से वो डीवीडीज परचेज करके, वो ज्यादा सिंपल भी है, डीवीडीज से वो लोग दिखा देते हैं।
अच्छा, कभी कभी मैजिक डेंजरस भी हो सकता है क्या? कैन इट बी डेंजरस
या
while performing?
या वेरी डेंजरस इट कैन बी। लाइक डायनामो, उसके उसके एक एक्ट की वजह से वो बहुत महीनों तक हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड था।
Oh really?
हाँ, उसने स्टॉप भी कर दिया था, उसका सब कुछ, उसका शो आता था सब बंद कर दिया।
कैसे? Like what? Was it something related to fire? Was it something? क्या हुआ था उनको?
आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली, बट उसको
Okay.
बहुत सीवियर इंजरी हुई थी कोई।
आपको मुश्किल आती है कभी कभी किसी एक्ट में?
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है।
हम्म।
बस मैं अपने एक्ट्स को बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन करके रखता हूँ, और कोई भी शो होने के बाद में एक बार के लिए मैं सूटकेस है उसमें ऐसे डाल देता हूँ, घर आके 1.5 आवर लगते हैं फिर से अच्छे से जमाने को।
Oh my God. And I can see you're wearing this badge here.
या
You have medals here. What are those medals all? Okay. Very nice. Very nice. I'm very proud. Really, really.
एंड इवन दिस ब्लेजर इज फ्रॉम देयर।
Okay. Yeah, right. Yeah. So now what's your future plan? You're doing online classes?
या ऑनलाइन एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन।
Everything online. So going now preparing for Guinness Book of
वर्ल्ड
World
रिकॉर्ड्स।
Record.
या
And planning to go to Magic School of
लंदन।
London.
एंड बाय साइड इवन आईआईटी प्रिपरेशन।
Maths. Oh, मुझे बचाओ. Okay, who's your favorite actor and actress? ये तो बताया नहीं यार, इसके बिना तो.
माय फेवरेट एक्टर इज अक्षय कुमार।
क्यों? क्या पसंद है उनकी एक्टिंग में?
उस वो लाइक कॉमेडी रहता है, और अ, और अभी सोनू सूद भी बहुत अच्छा है, उसने भी अभी बहुत किया है। और
Noble work,
उसकी
right?
मूवी भी थोड़ी कॉमेडी वाली है।
हाँ. और एक्ट्रेस में कोई भी, अरे यार कुछ तो बता दो.
करीना कपूर।
Oh, I think I showed that Kareena Kapoor ka.
या आई मेट हर एट द बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट।
I know, I did show that. You met her at the Bombay airport. Okay, so Dash, I think it was wonderful talking to you.
सेम
Wonderful
हियर।
journey. And I wish you all the very, very best, and with lots of big hugs to you. Though
थैंक
it's a
यू।
virtual hug.
या
And
वी कांट डू नॉर्मल हग।
yes, so namaste is the only thing COVID has taught us, and even our Prime Minister, our President, everybody would love to, see this and make, keep learning. I wish you all the very best for your future.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
Hope to see you again whenever you have some new magic tricks. And yes, lastly but not the least, वो जो एक आपने आपके एड में दिखाया था, एक आपके पास एक एक छड़ी जैसी आ जाती है, वो कैसे लाए थे आप? यहाँ से कैसे आता है यार? यहाँ तो
यहाँ
मेरे
से
तो कुछ
नहीं,
नहीं है.
मैं पहले
हाँ,
थ्रेड दिखाता हूँ, छोटा सा थ्रेड, फिर उसे वेव
हाँ.
करके बस एक, यहाँ से नहीं,
अच्छा,
वो ऐसे अपीयर हो जाता है।
अपने आप हो जाता है. अच्छा, अब जब ट्रिक सीखोगे ना किसी को गायब करने का, तब मेरे शो पे आपको मैं जरूर बुलाऊंगी।
मुझे गायब नहीं करना है, मुझे और लोगों को यहाँ पे लाना है ताकि और लोग देखे।
वो आएंगे देखने, यही आएंगे कि आप गायब कैसे करते हो। थोड़ी देर के लिए मुझे गायब कर देना, देन ब्रिंग मी बैक, ऑफ कोर्स आई विल टेक योर इंटरव्यू।
हाँ, आप बस एक बटन ऑफ कर दो वीडियो का, गायब हो जाओगे।
वो नहीं, असली में जब सीख के आओगे वहां से।
ओके,
आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू
Okay,
सो मच।
take care. Happy
ओके,
Independence
थैंक
Day
यू,
again. Yeah, bye bye.
थैंक यू एवरीवन,
Thank
बाय।
you. Bye.